Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. Today we are going to start chapter 9 algebraic expressions and identities. Words to know. The first word is algebraic expression. An expression which contains constants and variables that are connected by arithmetic operators. They are called the algebraic expressions. Like terms having same variables and same powers, they are known as like terms. Unlike terms having different variables or same variables with different powers are called unlike terms. Monomials, an expression with only one term, that are known as the monomials. An expression with two terms, they are the binomial. An expression with three terms, they are the trinomial. Polynomials, an expression with one or more terms in which the powers of the variables are non-negative numbers. They are called the polynomials. Then identity, an equation which is true for all the values of the variables, that is called the identity. So all this we are going to read in this particular chapter, algebraic expressions and identities. Now the concept map of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions with signs, algebraic equations which are true for all values of variables. And algebraic identities are a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square, x plus a, x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. And algebraic expressions, it is the sum of terms and product of variables and constants. Variables can apply that quantity, constants are fixed. Variables can vary and constants are fixed, that quantity. Now terms with same variables raised to same power are like terms, and terms with different variables or same variables with different powers are unlike terms. Algebraic expressions with one term are called monomial, two terms binomial, three terms trinomial, and one or more terms, that is polynomials. Algebraic expressions undergo in the operation addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Multiplication including multiplication of monomials by monomials, monomials by a polynomials, polynomials by a polynomial. So all these terms that we are going to read in this particular chapter, algebraic expression. This is the concept map of a algebraic expression.